Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 integers exercise 6.2 question number 4. Question 4 है find the sum of part A 137 and minus 354. So let's see how to find sum of the two given integers. One integer is positive integers and second is negative integers. Okay, clear? So solution. Before it, we want to discuss the properties of operation like that. If the minus into plus, this is equal to minus, okay, this is equal to minus, or plus in bracket minus, this is equal to also minus, clear, and minus in bracket also minus, then we can say this is equal to plus, or plus outside of bracket is plus and inside of bracket is also plus, so this is equal to a plus, clear. And in the case of multiplication, like that, minus into minus, this is equal to plus. If both number sign is minus are same, you can say in the case of multiplication, this is equal to plus, or plus into plus, this is equal to also plus, okay, or minus into plus, this is equal to minus, or plus into minus, this is equal to minus, clear. Now let's some example related to this properties of arithmetic operation, like that, 2 minus 2 into minus, this is equal to, you can write here plus 2, or simply you can write 2, okay, plus into minus 2 here, suppose. So plus minus minus, you can write here minus 2, clear, or minus in bracket plus 2, out of bracket is minus and inside of bracket is plus 2, this is equal to minus plus minus, so you can write here minus, clear. Now plus outside of the bracket is plus and inside of the bracket is also plus, so this is equal to plus 2, okay. So okay, but the symbol of plus we not write, this is equal to also write only 2, this means that this is a positive, clear. Now some other numbers like this, if you take both number negative, like minus 5 minus 3, both are negative, then we add both number, 5 plus 3 8, what we sign use here minus, because both number are minus, so you use the sign is minus, okay. Another example, minus 4 minus 8, so you can see here both number have minus sign, okay. So we add them, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, so what sign you use there, because both number are minus, so use here minus. Sometimes question like that, 10 minus 2, simply you can say this is a 10 minus 2, this is equal to 8, okay. But question is like that, 2 plus 2 minus 10, then plus 2 minus 10, or simply 2 minus 10. In such case, here you can see one number is positive, other number is negative, so it means that subtraction is confirmed in both number. So we subtract smaller number from greater numbers and you use the sign of symbol of greater numbers. Here you can see here the 10 is greater number and 2 is smaller number. So you use first sign of 10. So sign of 10 is minus, and after this we subtract them. So we subtract small number from greater number. So here smaller number is 2 and greater number is 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So you can write here minus 8. Okay. This is some example of addition of two integers. Okay. Now let's see this question. 4 question part A. Find the sum of 137 and minus 354. So you can write here 137. So you find the sum. So you use here plus symbol, and this is second integer, this is first integer, second integer. Second integer is minus. Okay, so you write it in a bracket. This is minus 354. Clear? 354. And here you can see the before bracket is plus and inside bracket is minus. So here you can use here plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So and this is equal to 137 minus plus into minus is equal to minus, and we write 354 as it is. 354 we write as it is. This is clear. Now here you can see here the sign of 137 is nothing. The sign of 137 is nothing, but it is positive symbols. Okay, this is plus. Here the sign of 337 is positive. The sign is here hide. Okay, and here the sign of 354 is minus. So you can see here 354 is greater than 137. So first we use the sign of greater number is minus. This is plus and this is minus. It means that subtraction is confirmed here. So we subtract the smaller number from greater number. So you can see 354 is greater number and 137 is smaller number. So subtract this number from this. So you can use like that to subtract 354 minus 137. This is equal to 14. 14 minus 7. This 7. Here we have 4. 4 minus 3. This is equal to 1. And 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we obtain here 217. Clear? Because this is positive and this is negative. The sign of both number is different. So it is clear that the subtraction is confirmed here. We subtract smaller number from greater numbers. So here you can see 137 is smaller number and 354 is greater numbers. And we use the sign of greater number. So sign of greater number is minus. So here we write first minus. After this we subtract this from this and we obtain 217. So student, I hope all of you understood how to sum this given two integers. Okay. Now we are going to discuss B part of this question number 4. B part of question number 4 is minus 52 and 52. B part of this question is minus 52 and 52. Okay, so we find the sum of minus 52 and the 52. Solution of this part of B is equal to, this is equal to minus 52 plus 52. So you can see here the quantity are same 52 52, but was sign of first quantity is minus and sign of second quantity is plus. If the quantity have same and sign are different, then they will 0. Okay, minus 52 and plus 52, the quantity is same but sign is different, then they becomes 0. So this is equal to 0. For example, you can write 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So it means that minus 3 plus 3 also is equal to 0, because this is the symbol of plus here. The sign of plus is hide here. Okay, so you can also write 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 or minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so I hope all of you understood how to sum minus 52 and 52. The result of the sum of minus 52 and the 52 is equal to 0. Now we are going to discuss next part. Next part is C part, minus 312 and 192 and 39. Let's see how to solve this part. C part of question 4. This is C part of question 4. Here given that minus 312, 39 and 190 and 2. 300 minus 312, 39 and 192. We find the sum of this given 3 integers. So solution is equal to, we can sum it, we write minus 312, this is minus plus 39 because we sum it, and also plus 192. Clear? Now you can see 39 plus 192, both are positive quantity, so you can sum it. And here this is negative quantity, so we write it minus 312 as it is, and first we sum it. So we can sum it 192 plus 339. This is equal to 2 plus 9 is equal to 11, carry 1, and 9, 1, 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, also carry 1, 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. This is equal to 231. Clear? Both are positive, so first we sum it. 39 plus 192, this is equal to 231. Here we sum it. Clear? Now we have only 2 integers here. Here we have 3 integers. So first we add 2 positive integers. Okay, so we obtain 231, and here we have 2 integers. One is negative integer, other is positive integers. It means the subtraction is clear here. We subtract the negative smaller number from greater numbers. Okay, so you can say 312, 231. It means just 312 is greater than 231. So 231 is subtract from 312, and we use the sign of greater number. Sign of greater number is minus. So we write here minus. After this, we subtract small number from greater number. This is greater number, 312 is greater number, and this is smaller number. So we subtract smaller number from greater number. So 231. So 2 minus 1, this is equal to 1. Here 1 minus 3, this is not possible. So we carry 1 from 3. So this is equal to 11. 11 minus 3, this is equal to 8. Okay, and here 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, nothing. Okay, so you can see here 312 minus 231, this is equal to 81. So student, I hope all of you understood how to sum two or more integers. Here three integers, in B part and A part only two integers, but here three integers. So first we sum, we group the same quantity like a positive integers are negative integers. So here both are positive integers. So first we sum it, we obtain 39 plus 192, 39 plus 192, this is equal to 231, and this is a minus 312. So you can see here the sign of both number are different. So it is clear that the subtraction is done here. We subtract small number from greater number and we use the sign of greater number. So here you can see the sign of greater number is minus, so you use here minus and subtract small number from greater number. So 312 is greater numbers and 213 is small number. When you subtract it here, then we find 81. So you can say the sum of minus 312, 39 and 192 is minus 81. Clear? Now the last part of this question, D part of question 4 is that minus 50, sum of minus 50, minus 200 and 300. Okay. This is the D part of question number 4. A sum of minus 50, minus 50, minus 200, minus 200 and 300. Clear? Solution of this question is equal to minus 50 plus minus 200 plus at 300, because the question told us find the sum of three integers, minus 50, minus 200 and the plus 300. Okay, so for sum you use the plus sign of between each integers. So minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. Okay. So next step is that here minus 50, so you write minus 50 as it is, and this is plus into minus. So plus into minus, this is equal to minus. Okay, plus into minus, this is equal to minus. So also here we can use that condition, plus into minus, this is equal to minus, and we write here 200 as it is, and 300 we write as it is. Okay. So you can just arrange it. 300 is greater number, so we write it first 300. Okay. After this 200 minus 200. After this 50. No problem. Here you can write plus 300 or only 300. No problem, because this is the first numbers here. So you tell me 300 minus 200. What to find? 300 minus 200. This is equal to 100. Clear? 300 minus 200. This is equal to 100. First we subtract this both. 300 minus 200. This is equal to 100. After this we have minus 50. Minus 50. Okay. So 100 minus 50. What is 100 minus 50? Tell us. 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. Clear? So here you can see, here three integers is given, minus 50, minus 200 and 300. So we find the sum of minus 50, minus 200 and 300. like this. We write here minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. So we can write minus 50 as it is, and plus minus plus into minus is equal to minus. So we write here minus 200 plus 300, and after this we just rearrange it. So first we write 300 minus 200 minus 50. Okay, so 300 minus 200, this is equal to 100. This is clear. After this we write minus 50 as it is. So 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. So student, I hope all of you understood this part, D part of question number 4, and enjoy with integer, and you are familiar that how to find the sum of two integers, sum of three integers, and so on. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 5. What is the question number 5? Find the sum of. This is the question number 5. Find the sum of a part of this question, minus, plus, minus 9, plus 4, plus 16. Okay, so you know, we can write it and solution. Solution is equal to, we write minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Clear? And here in the next step we write minus 7 as it is, plus minus minus. In previous question we discussed plus into minus, this is equal to minus. Okay, so plus into minus, here we have minus, and here plus 4 plus 16 we write as it is. After this, here you can see minus 7 minus 9. If the symbol sign of the both quantity have same, then we add it and write the same sign. So here you can see both are minus signs. So first we add it to minus 7 minus 9. So 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So we can write here 16. Okay, this is minus 16 and plus. After this, here you can see plus 4 plus 16, both have same sign plus. So we also sum it. 16 plus 4 is 20, and we write the same sign plus. So that here 20. Okay, and here we have minus 16 plus 20. So we just arrange it like that. We first write 20 and minus 16, because 20 is greater than 16. 20 is greater than 16, and 20 is positive and the 16 negative. So you can write 20, this is positive. Here the symbol of 20 is plus. Okay, so 20 minus 16. So 20 minus 16, easily you can subtract it. This is equal to 4. Clear? So I hope all of you understood how to find the sum of the A part is given minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. This is equal to 4. Okay. Now we are going to discuss B part of this question number 5. B part is that B part is that 37 plus 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 65, and this is a plus minus 8 plus minus 8. This is given numbers. This is given sum. Okay. So 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. Okay. So first solution is equal to, we can write here 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. Okay, so here you can see we write 37 as it is, plus into minus it's become minus, so we write here minus 2, here plus into minus, we write here minus 65, again plus into minus, we write here minus 8. Okay, so you can see 37 minus 2. 37 minus 2 is equal to what? 37 minus 2 is equal to 35. This is equal to 35 minus, we write 65 minus 8. Okay, just we simplify 37 minus 2. This is equal to 37 minus 2 is equal to 35. Okay, now we write 35 as it is, but here you can see minus 65 minus 8, both are minus. Okay, so we sum it and use the symbol is minus. Okay, because both are minus, so we use here minus 65 plus 8 is equal to 73. So here this is equal to 73. Okay, and now here you can see 35 minus 73. The sign of 35 is positive and the sign of 73 is negative. Okay, so you can see here 73 is greater than 35 and one is positive, other is negative. So here this is confirmed, subtraction is confirms. Okay, we subtract smaller quantity from greater quantity. So here smaller quantity is 35 and greater quantity is 73. So we use here the sign of greater quantity. So greater number is 37. So 73. The greater number is 73. Okay, and here the sign of 73 is minus. So you use first write here minus, after this subtract them. So we subtract them, 73 minus 35. This is equal to 3 minus 5 is not possible. Then we take one carry, so it should become 13. Okay, 13 minus 5, this is equal to 8. And here it's become 6. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So in this way we find the sum of the given expression is minus 38. Clear? Now a C part of this question is that minus 9 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3. So let's see how to solve C part of this question. This is a C part of question number 5. This is given, find the sum of minus 9 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3. Okay, so we find the sum of this given quantity. So write the solution. Solution is equal to minus 9 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3. Okay, so here minus 9 we write as it is, and plus into plus, this is equal to plus 4, plus into minus, this is equal to minus 6. Here plus into plus, this is equal to plus, we write here 3. Okay, now we grouping it. It means that negative integers one group and positive integers other groups. Okay, we can rearrange the number so that the positive integers and the negative integers are grouped together. Okay, so we can minus 9 minus 6 plus 4 plus 3. So here you can see minus 9 minus 6 both are negative integers. Okay, so 9 minus 9 minus 6 is equal to minus 15. Okay, we add them with same sign. Here sign is, both number sign is minus, so we plus them. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. We write it minus 15 and plus. Here 4 is plus and 3 is also plus. So plus 4 and plus 3. This become 7. Okay. Now in next step you can see here 15 is with negative sign, 7 with positive sign. So you can see here 15 is greater than 7. So it means that sign is bit different up to both numbers. Sign is different of both numbers because here is minus, here is plus. So it means that here subtraction is clear. So we subtract small number from greater number. So small number is 7 and greater number is 15, and we use here the symbol of greater number. The symbol of greater number is minus, and we subtract 7 from 15. So 7 from 15 and 15 minus 7, this is equal to 8. Okay. So student, I hope all of you know how to sum 3 or more integers and divide this. In this way you complete the exercise 6.2. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.